But the mac and cheese combo for me has always been my go-to for Thanksgiving. That's one of the things I look forward to eat with my meat. Pause. I love that mac and cheese combo. Is it my favorite go-to side dish of Thanksgiving? No. But the combination can't go wrong.
Greens is mine.
We know.
See, I'm sorry.
Greens is mine,
Yeah,
and
it's good.
I gotta have some sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato.
It's the green bean casserole.
Sorry, but
I'm not eating it this
Mac-
year. I'm not eating it.
You just want regular greens. Greens and cabbage.
I don't eat cabbage.
yes, mac and cheese is year round, but I just love mac and cheese. Like you can call me a connoisseur with mac and cheese.